If you've just picked up the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, congratulations! You now own one of the most innovative and expensive smartphones of 2025. But with that futuristic foldable screen, glass outer layer, and dual display setup comes one unavoidable truth. This phone is fragile. Like, really fragile. Even with Samsung's claimed improvements in durability, most users know that one drop could cost you hundreds in repairs. That's why finding the perfect rugged case isn't just a smart idea, it's a must. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 7 must-have rugged cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in 2025. These cases aren't just protective, they're intelligently designed to complement the foldable form factor without compromising usability. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Kicking things off strong is the Spigen Slim Armor Pro, a case that's already legendary in the rugged protection space. Spigen has been leading the market in durable smartphone accessories for years, and their updated version for the Fold 7 is no exception. What makes this case unique is its hinge protection system. The Slim Armor Pro features a sliding tech hinge cover that moves as you open and close the phone. It's made with dual-layer TPU plus polycarbonate, offering military-grade drop protection without feeling like a brick in your pocket. The matte black finish gives it a sleek, professional look, and the raised lip design ensures your displays remain protected from scratches and drops. Despite the rugged shell, wireless charging still works with no hiccups. If you want rugged protection without going full tank mode, this is your go-to. Up next is the Urban Armor Gear UAG Civilian Series, which combines industrial strength with modern aesthetics. UAG is known for their aerospace-grade materials, and this model is tailored specifically for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. What's special here is the HyperCush technology, which disperses the energy of impact across the case frame. The rugged corners and grippy texture provide excellent drop resistance, while the clean design makes it suitable for both work and casual use. The hinge protection is subtle yet effective. You'll notice the mechanical design engineered into the spine of the case. It supports folding and unfolding without added friction or wear on the device hinge. If you're an outdoorsy or adventurous type, or just prone to accidents, this case is built to withstand your lifestyle. You read that right, 21 feet. The Caseborne V-Series for Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a beast. If you're someone who works in construction, travels often, or just needs the absolute max protection available, look no further. This case has undergone extreme military drop testing and features 5-layer drop protection, including a built-in screen protector, hinge protection, and reinforced corners. The outer shell is hard polycarbonate while the inner layer uses shock-absorbent TPU. Caseborne even includes a belt clip and kickstand, something heavy users will appreciate. The buttons remain tactile, and there's precision cutouts for all ports and speakers. It's big, yes, but it's built to save your $1,800 plus phone from a nightmare fall. If bulk isn't a concern, this is one of the most protective cases on the market today. The Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro has become a fan favorite in the rugged case community, and for the Fold 7, it delivers again. What separates this case from the rest is its built-in screen protector for the outer display, kickstand, and robust hinge cover, all while keeping the overall form slim enough to fit in a pocket.